Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.2 question number 4. Let's see the question. Show that the modulus function f r to r given by f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1 to 1 nor onto. So this is, we need to show this to be, the function to be neither 1 to 1 nor an onto function. It is not a 1 to 1 and not a onto function where modulus x is x if x is positive. So this will be, if it is positive, it will be modulus x, and modulus x is minus x. It will be minus x if x is negative. So if x is negative, we need to substitute as minus x. Here we need to substitute as plus x. Anyway, it is a modulus. Though it is plus or minus, the resultant will be a positive number. The f of x will be a positive number because it is of modulus. Substituting x of negative number or a positive number, the final will be a positive number. Now, the given function here is r to r and the function f of x is modulus x. Now, to prove whether it's a 1 to 1 or an onto, now let me substitute the value minus 1, 1. Here if I substitute minus 1, here it becomes plus 1. So this goes to plus 1. If I substitute 1, it will be of, the final answer will be 1. So mod 1 is 1. Mod of minus 1 will be 1. So everything, the minus 1 plus 1 will goes to 1. So here we see two elements have a same image 1. So it is not a 1 to 1 because it is not 1 to 1 number. Two numbers to have a same image, as the different elements minus 1 and 1 have same image 1. Therefore f is not a 1 to 1 function. Now for onto, we know that the codomain. Here for onto, the codomain and the range should be equal. Here the codomain, as they said, it is from r to r. So it is a real numbers. And what will be your range? The range is just your f of x. Whatever value we substitute for x, the number will be of the same with the positive side. Here if we substitute minus 2, it will be 2. If we substitute 2, it will be 2. If we substitute minus 3, it will be 3. If we substitute root of minus 3, modulus minus root 3, it will be of root 3. So everything will be of positive numbers. So it becomes positive real numbers. So the negative real numbers in this R, in this codomain, is not marked. It doesn't have a pre-image. So we can say that codomain, there should not be leftover in the codomain, but in this case there are leftovers. The negative numbers are all leftovers. So codomain is not equal to range. That means therefore f is not onto function. Finally, you can write it, it's neither an onto function or a 1 to 1 function. That's all with the sum. Thank you.